Alright, I'm gonna show you how to install IntelIJ. Now, yours says it's very easy, but I think it's pretty intimidating and not as easy as he says. Maybe it's easy if you really have a lot of experience with programming, but for a lot of people here who just mediocre at it, I don't think it's that easy. I'm just gonna show you. So basically, you click on this link, gets to this page. You just don't do anything here, just click the white button, get IntelIJ IDEA. And on here, you could download the exe, but I prefer to download the zip file. So you do windows.zip. I press cancel because I already downloaded it and it's on my desktop already. It's right here. This is what you'll get, this zip file, and you get these files inside it, like all of these. Now what you do with them is make a folder somewhere in your SH home probably and call it IntelIJ. Don't mind all this other stuff, it's not relevant. Just this folder is relevant and it should be empty, like just a new empty folder, and you drag everything in here. I'm not doing this right now because it's 1.5 gigabytes and it's going to take me like a minute to transfer it and I don't want you to wait. Now you go to bin. If you have 32-bit, just this one. If you have 64, IDEA 64. Now you start it up. It's going to take a few seconds. Personally, I think you should use IntelIJ instead of Eclipse, since there aren't really any downsides to it. Just IntelIJ is just better. This is data sharing. Don't send anonymous data. I'm going to choose to not send, because I don't want to be a slave to the corporate overlords. I already have some config stuff. I'm not importing it, since I want to do a clean install for you to see how you do it from beginning to end. Now you could skip this. I just do next, 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 and that's it. Yeah, you just click on new project. Make sure this is Java 11. It says 1.1. Not too hard to understand, alright? You just click next. On here, you do create project from template. Don't click anything else, just that thing. Now you go to your, well, I'll just do this. And then make a subfolder software systems 2, since I already have the first one for my normal project. Now here you could leave it as com.company, but I just prefer to make it as me and my name, me.julian. What this basically does is links any program you create with me.julian has all this function inside a link. Think of it as a primary key that links all your programs. So if you have me.home, all files that have me.home, like here at the top, will be able to access these classes like this. I don't want tips. You click always download. First have to click on this window right here, probably, or something. Yeah. And in VM options, you do, I don't know how you call that, is like a tiny line, EA, line EA from EA Sports. Press OK. That's it with that. Now go to File, Settings, Plugins, and you'll write in here check style, install check style IDEA. Click install, accept. Just wait for it to install. Have to wait for it here to install it, because if you switch from it, it's not gonna continue on. Maybe it does. I just and then to them for it. While it's installing, I did something Well, I didn't do anything stupid. I just forgot something. I'm gonna get it while it's installing the next thing. Okay, what you call it? Java doc. Next. Yes, this one. And the third one. This is what one is non-mandatory. It just shows your friend how big of a nerd you are by recording the time you spend in IntelIJ. And now you restart it. Don't have to restart for all of them. You just restart once, and it's gonna be good. Now, after you install the plugins, you gotta go to project structure, to libraries, click the plus from Maven, and now just paste this. I'm gonna put it in the description, and you just press OK, OK, and then apply and OK. Now you can do whatever the hell you want, baby. Okay. Cool trick. Suit. Tab. Boom. And now just type in here whatever you want to type. Hello scum. Now you gotta click up here to run. Yeah. Hello scum. Oh my god, it did it. I'm so smart. Haha. You can be smart too. What can I say? Okay. So this is basically it. What I was saying about suit is basically gives you a print statement so you don't have to say this whole thing out. So that's it. I wish you luck on your IntelIJ adventure. Oh, and in here, project and files. Yeah. Good luck.